Hello friends, today I have three stocks in my watch list. First is Exide Industries, second is Reliance, and third is Eicher Motors. So I will explain complete analysis of all these three stocks. So why I have taken these stocks in my watch list and why and what kind of trade I am going to take in it. So let's start. So currently Exide Industries is on my charting platform. So we can start analyzing this Exide Industries. So I have started watching this stock from the morning today. In the morning, you can see that there is a huge amount of volume. Either someone has dumped this stock at this price, or you can say there are buyers for every selling price. There is or there are buyers available. So what my analysis is saying that price has moved up heavily with a volume. So now the pressure is getting absorbed. This is what the retracement of price is going on. After the retracement done or completed, it will generate a buy signal or sell signal. But most likely or most expected signal from here is buy signal because uh, the chart or the candles that are forming are clearly telling that buyers are in the driving seat for this stock. As of now, I am waiting for any signal in Exide Industries. So let's wait. After some time, second half of trading will start. So maybe most probably there will be a chance in this stock. So the buyers will continue or sellers will or other seller will start their selling. So they will trade it in the second half. Okay, this is about Exide Industries. Till now, I have not taken any trade. So let's go for another stock that is Reliance. Okay, yes, Reliance. I had taken this stock in my watch list at 10 a.m. when this structure formed. I was searching for a stock in my watch list when this yes here when the price has taken from U-turn. See, this is yesterday's high. When price has taken U-turn from here, I just marked this stock in my watch list, so started tracking this stock or its price movement, and at the same time I also plotted VWAP. So I can confirm that buyers are interested in this stock really. So they started keeping the price above the VWAP after 10, 15 or 10, 20. So first it's created a shooting star kind of pattern. That is not shooting star because the ideal shooting star is red, but it is not that. So as soon as it created this kind of structure, I drawn a trend line from here till here. So again price came and on VWAP buyers are interested to buy this stock. So again it goes and retested the trend line that I've drawn and again came. This is this is the thing that I always look because this is a build up. More the build up, more the price movement you can expect. So as you can see, the price was compressed between the trend line, which is a virtual you can say boundary we can say a virtual boundary of the price. So for my case, it is working very nicely. For any trader, if he has experience or any uh, good knowledge about drawing a trend line, so it will work like a magic. So let it be this another topic. So what I'm trying to say you that price was compressed between the trend line and the VWAP. As soon as the price moved up or just crossed this trend line with volume, if you can see here, this is the bar, which was which was a bit higher. Its previous 10-15 bars. So I was quite interested. So I just taken the trade when the high of this candle was broken and stop loss below VWAP. See 2321 and 2328. I have taken 2330. My buying price was 2330 and stop loss was at 2321. So it was a 9 rupees stop and I have booked my profit 2355. So around 1 is to 2.5 was my reward. Okay, this is about Reliance. So I have booked profit in Reliance. Now let's move for Exide Industries done. Yeah, first stock that came in my list is Exide Industries because it was started moving up with heavy volume, and I have marked this stock before market was opening. See, it has created a very narrow range from 1st September. First time tested, second, third, then came back and again here. Higher lows, you can say that this is a head and shoulders pattern, classical head and shoulders pattern. Okay, let's tell me you kind of trick. You can confirm the trend. Just click here, go to line. You can clearly see here, head and shoulders pattern. You are not drawing. System or your platform is drawing for you. Just you need to change your setting. It will confirm you what pattern it has just price has drawn. So it is very confirmed that buyers are very serious on this price. So they will keep the price up for next sessions. So in the morning when the price broke this level, I kept this stock in my watch list, and as of now I'm waiting for a buy signal. If it will generate, then I will trade. So for conclusion, we have to wait till 3:30. As of now, one trade is in profit and waiting for two another trades. If it will come, then only I will take. Otherwise, I will not going to enter in any trade because let the market set up a trade for you. You don't set up a trade. Let the market set up a trade for you with a proper region. At least there must be a three reason that will satisfy your criteria to take any trade. Okay, okay, guys. Thank you. So I should keep watching on these stocks and their psychology uh, behind forming all those candles because it is very important to learn the psychology when any candle is getting formed. It is a transition phase. So to become a pro trader, you must understand between these 5 minutes what is going on with this stock in this particular time frame. That will make you professionals. You will be a master of this art. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you. keep trading.